Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Linear Equations in One Variable. The given question is solve the following equation and check your result. And the given equation is 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 upon 5. So guys, let us see how we can solve the given equation and how we can check our result. Question has given us this equation. Question has given us this equation. 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 upon 5. 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 upon 5. Question has given us this equation, and question is asking us to solve the equation. Question is asking us to solve the equation, and then question is asking us also to check the result. So question is asking us to do two things. One is solve the equation and then check the result. This is what the question is asking us to do, these two things. Now let us see. So the question has given us the equation 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 divided by 5. Or I can write 3m minus 5m is equal to minus 8 divided by 5. Just moving this 5m from right hand side to left hand side. That means transposing plus 5m from right hand side to left hand side. Guys, we very well know that if we move a number, its sign changes. If we move a positive number, it becomes negative number. If we move a negative number, it becomes positive number. So what we did here, we just moved 5m from right hand side to the left hand side. So we got 3m minus 5m is equal to minus 8 upon 5. Or I can write 3m minus 5m. I can write minus 2m is equal to minus 8 upon 5. So what we got here, minus 2m is equal to minus 8 upon 5. Or I can write minus 2m into minus 1 is equal to minus 8 upon 5 into minus 1. What I am doing here? Just multiplying both sides by minus 1. Multiplying both sides by minus 1. Why I am multiplying both sides by minus 1? I am multiplying both sides by minus 1 in order to eliminate these negative signs. In order to eliminate these negative signs, I need to multiply minus 1. We very well know that minus into minus is plus. So for that reason, I just multiplied minus 1 to both the sides so that I can eliminate the negative signs. So what I can write now? I can write the equation as, what I can write? I can write the equation as minus 2m into minus 1, it became plus 2m is equal to minus 8 divided by 5 into minus 1, it became plus 8 by 5. So what we got here? We got 2m is equal to 8 divided by 5. Now what we can do now? Or I can write 2m into 1 divided by 2 is equal to 8 by 5 into 1 divided by 2. What I am doing here? Multiplying both sides by 1 by 2 or 1 upon 2. Multiplying both sides by 1 upon 2. Why I am multiplying? In order to eliminate this 2 from m, I need to multiply 1 upon 2, or I need to divide this one with 2 so that I can eliminate this one. If I am doing something to the left side of the equation, I should also do the same thing to the right side of the equation. So for that reason, I multiplied 1 by 2 to the left side of the equation as well as to the right side of the equation. Or I can write these two cancels out. I can write m is equal to these 2 4s are 8 is equal to 4 upon 5. So what we got here? We got the value for m as 4 upon 5. This is what we got, the value for m. The value for m that we got here is 4 upon 5. We got the value for m as 4 upon 5. What we got? We got 4 upon 5. Now let us look into the second part of the question. The second part of the question is asking us to check our answer. The second part of the question is asking us to check our answer. In order to check our answer, let us rewrite the given question. In order to check our answer, let us rewrite the given question. The given question is 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 upon 5. Now, let us pick up the left hand side and see what result we are getting. So, left hand side of the equation is 3m, that is equal to 3 into 4 upon 5. Just replacing the value of m, I got 3 into 4 upon 5. What I did here, I just replaced this value of m that we got here. What we got? The value of m? 4 upon 5. So, 3m is equal to 3 into 4 upon 5. That is equal to 4 3s are 12, 12 upon 5. What we got? We got left side of the equation as 12 upon 5. Now, let us look into the right side of this equation. Now, let us pick up the right side of this equation. Right side of the equation, given equation is 5m is equal 5m minus 8 upon 5. The right side of the equation is 5m minus 8 divided by 5, or that is equal to 5 into 4 upon 5. This is the value of m. Just replacing the value of m. Just replaced the value of m by 4 upon 5 minus 8 upon 5, or that is equal to 5 4s are 20, 20 upon 5 minus 8 upon 5, or that is equal to 20 minus 8 divided by 5, that is equal to 12 divided by 5. So guys, what we got here, the result, what the result shows? The result shows that the left side of the equation, when we solved, we got 12 upon 5. And similarly, when we solved the right side of the equation, we also got 12 upon 5. That means left side of the equation is equal to the right side of the equation. So we can write, therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence, result is verified. Hence, result is verified. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.